dear students. Today we are going to learn English grammar subject, and the second chapter is subject and predicate. See, here some pictures are given. You can see that they are doing something है ना, some work they are doing. See, this boy is running. Peter runs fast. What he is doing? He runs fast. Here this boy is reading. What he is doing? Reading. So he is reading book. Horses are eating grass. Birds are flying in the sky. Girls are eating ice cream. They are eating ice cream. So they are doing some work. It means the boy who is eating is the boy who is reading is a subject, and what he is doing, he is reading. Reading is a predicate. So we move further now. See, here some more sentence are given. Horse eat grass. Horses means they are, I just now I told you that horses are eating grass. Horses is subject and they are doing what they are doing is a predicate. See, some more thing we will understand. I'll tell you the meaning of subject and predicate. Every complete sentence contains two parts, and see here two parts are given. Every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. See, here subject, here predicate. Okay, the subject is what or whom, means it is about something or someone. The sentence is about, while the predicate tells something about the subject, means this predicate tells us about the subject. Okay, so some more thing I'll tell you here. See, subject is subject plus predicate, it makes a sensible sentence. Okay, it makes a sensible sentence. See, some examples I have written here. The cow gives us milk. Who gives us milk? Cow. So the cow is a subject. Gives us milk is predicate. The monkey ate a banana. See, here ate is a verb. Here ate means here it is a verb. So simply we can write here the monkey is a subject and ate a banana is predicate. Ram chased. See, here what we have to do, Ram. This is a subject and this is a predicate, we can see. Then subject means about whom we are talking and about what we are talking, and predicate means it's a verb and what the subject is doing. Predicate should be verb and what the subject is doing. Okay, so some more exercise we will see here, and like this I have completed the book. Even you have to complete it in your books. Okay, an apple is a fruit. An apple is a subject and predicate is a fruit. What do you want? You. Here who, about whom you are talking, about you. So you is a subject. What do you want? Okay, then work hard. You work hard. Who's telling? They are talking about whom? They are talking about you. You work hard. So you is a subject. Work hard is predicate. Okay, so like this you have to fill your book. I hope you all have understand what I have told you and taught you. Okay, so these some of subjects. See, some words are given here about some words means it is about an aeroplane, monkeys, my sister, our school. So what you have to do is add a predicate to the following sentence, means you have to write what they do, what they does, what they are doing. See, soldiers fight for the country. Then some more sentence. Our teacher, what our teacher does, our teacher do. See, our teacher gave us true knowledge. That means हमारी teacher